Know the risk that comes with signing up your child for sports. WDSU medical editor Dr. Corey Hebert goes over those risks, but also he has tips on how to keep your children safe during sports-related activities to keep your mind at ease.
More American kids are competing in sports than ever before. Sports helps children and adolescents keep their bodies fit and feel good about themselves. However, there are some important injury prevention tips that can help parents promote a safe, optimal sports experience for their child. And with that horrible accidental death of a local football player last week, I felt that we should have an update on all sports safety. Sports have a general risk of injury. In general, the more the contact in a sport, the greater the risk of a traumatic injury. However, the most injuries in a young athlete are due to overuse. Most frequent sports injuries are sprains, strains, and stress fractures caused when an abnormal stress is placed on tendons, joints, bones, and muscle. In a growing child, point tenderness over a bone should be evaluated further by a medical provider, even if there is minimal swelling or limitation in motion. To reduce the risk of injury, take time off. Plan to have at least 1 day off per week from a particular sport to allow the body to recover. Players should wear the appropriate gear and properly fitting protective equipment, such as pads, helmets, mouthpieces, face guards, protective cups, and/or eyewear. And it's got to fit right, don't forget. Young athletes should not assume that protective gear will protect them from performing more dangerous or risky activities. You should strengthen your muscles. Conditioning exercises during practice strengthen muscles used in play. And also you should increase your flexibility. Stretching exercises before and after games or practice can increase your flexibility. Stretching should be also incorporated into your daily fitness plan. Always use the proper technique in any sport. This should be reinforced during the playing season. You should take breaks also, because rest periods during practice and games can reduce injuries and prevent heat illness. Remember, you always have to play safe. You can avoid heat injury by drinking plenty of fluids before, during, and after exercise or play. Decrease or stop practices or competitions during any high heat or humidity periods, and also wear light clothing. One thing that people do forget about is sports-related emotional stress. The pressure to win can cause significant emotional stress for a child, and sadly, many coaches and parents consider winning the most important aspect of young sports. Young athletes should be judged on effort, sportsmanship, and hard work. So with these reminders, I hope you can have fun, but also be safe. I'm medical editor Dr. Corey Hebert with your Weekend House Call.